Hey guys, it's Jacob with Diamond C. Something that you hear us talk about often is being able to build a trailer online. A lot of people have done it. They want to see kind of how it works, what it looks like, but what I'll show you today is a representation of somebody that's done just that. What's pretty cool, you know, the guy that built this orange dump trailer started out online just looking for a 14-foot low pro dump trailer, not knowing really, you know, what he could get on his trailer, but ended up building a really cool unit. It's got a lot of options and features that could really benefit him that he had no idea about until he started building the trailer. So we're going to kind of highlight those. I'm not going to go over the details, you know, the minor details that so many dump trailers have, but what I'm going to show you are a few of the features on this one that he added that will really benefit his daily work, his daily grind. Right up here at the front, it's got a solar panel on there. The solar panel is great for kind of topping off a battery. It's ideal for your users who use a dump trailer, you know, a few times a week, kind of keeps that battery topped off. If you're a heavy user of a dump trailer, there's no illusion that that solar panel is going to keep a dump trailer charged completely that is used, you know, 6-8 times a day, real heavy loads. You still need to use the 5-amp charger that's standard to boost your battery back off. This one you can see over the tongue, it's got the HD V-tongue lid. That's a signature item from Diamond C. The really cool part about it is it's got this loading surface on top to handle generators, pumps, job boxes, things of that nature to go to the site. But where the magic happens as well is there's tons of storage area inside that dump trailers have never had to speak of. You know, you can carry straps and chains and binders, maybe a quarter oil, things like that inside, locked out of the way. Moving on, this trailer's got the 36-inch side step for easy access over into the bed. If you've got, you know, whether it's you've got trash or cargo, you've got a skid steer, whatever's inside, this here step gives you easy access to that cargo. The raised front and board brackets, it's a really neat ergonomic feature because it gives you a little bit higher sides, but also gives you a bump rail. You'd much rather hit this with a bucket than the side with the bucket and end up busting the powder coat. This trailer has the 7-gauge Super Duty body. Just taking a second to explain that. That's the thickness of the sides and the floor. There's guys in the trailer industry that use 12-gauge. There's guys that use 10-gauge, which is our standard and holds up for the vast majority. We would never, ever put 12-gauge on a dump trailer like this, on a commercial grade dump trailer. There's no place for that in this industry, but 10-gauge holds up for most, and then you can opt for the super heavy duty 7-gauge body, which increases the thickness of it and takes a beating like no other. But what this sticker shows you, the small line represents 12-gauge, the middle line represents 10-gauge, and the fat line represents 7-gauge, saying, hey, this trailer can handle anything you throw at it. 3/16 super heavy duty fenders, again, you know, it's an option that lots of guys wish they had years after their regular, you know, 16-gauge fenders are shredded to pieces. So you can hit, you know, if you got guys running your equipment, what have you, these fenders are going to stand the test of time. This trailer's outfitted with 8K oil bath axles. It gives it an 18,000 GVWR rating, standard with aluminum Valcrum oil caps. First in the industry to make Valcrum standard, and we're proud of it. So it's just something to look at, you know, what the possibilities are. You know, they're endless. You get on the website, you start clicking around. I mean, you can build dump trailers with higher sides, with different colors. Like this is the orange. It's like a kind of like a Kubota orange. It's a commercial orange color. Great for job sites, for visibility, theft prevention even. And so it's just a good representation of what can be had at diamondc.com. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, follow us on all the major social channels. We'll see you on the road.